Knife sharpener 4-in-1 diamond coated and fine rod knife shears and scissors sharpening stone system stainless steel blades. Style 1. Features. This knife sharpener works great on all types of knives. Keep your knife sharp and ready to use. It is very easy to use, and very sturdy and durable. Material. ABS plus stainless steel slot. 4-stage slot material, Ceramic+Tungsten steel plus diamond. How to use. 1. For scissors, use stage 1 by opening the scissors and inserting them into the slot. Steadily hold the sharpener and sharpener for 5 to 7 times. 2. For steel knives, place the knife in stage 2 and sharpen 3 to 5 times towards you only. Repeat in stage 3 and 4 for a more defined finish. 4-stage professional kitchen knife sharpener. 1. Diamond abrasives, for scissors. 2. Coarse, carbide blades, for blunt knives. 3. Medium, diamond abrasives, for daily use. 4. Fine, cream ink rods for knives need polishing.